A nation which represents its diversity is an example of a cohesive society. This was the view expressed by Prime Minister Moses Nagamootoo as he delivered the feature address at the event held to observe the 4th National Social Cohesion Day.
This year's National Social Cohesion Day is being held under the ministry's theme, Fostering Harmonious Relationships and Building a Unified Country. Prime Minister Moses Nagamootoo said the theme is significant as it recognizes the journey over the past years to get citizens to work cohesively.
Our government, our nation recognizes this diversity. We honor each and every one of our ethnic groupings. We celebrate Emancipation Day on August 1st in recognition of our African brothers and sisters. We observe Chinese Arrival Day on January 13, Portuguese Arrival Day on May 3rd, Indian Arrival Day on May 5th, which coincides with National Arrival Day. And we observe September, an entire month, as Indigenous Heritage Month.
Prime Minister Nagamootoo said the government's movement for social cohesion is strengthening each year.
Our movement for social cohesion gains strength with each year. It is a work in progress to broaden it, to generate great appreciation for our diversities.
Minister of Social Cohesion, Dr. George Norton, explained that not every nation is gifted with a social cohesion platform as Guyana. While it has not been an easy road, Dr. Norton said social cohesion had to be built gradually and deliberately. First Lady Sandra Granger, other ministers of government, members of the diplomatic corps, and students also attended the event. For InfoHub, Rebecca Ganesh.